So, after Steve Rogers was gone, someone had to take up the mantle, and without their shield, it meant nothing. So today, let's make a Captain America shield from the Falcon and the Winter Soldier.
Let's go. Nah, we ain't never gonna slow down. All the girls looking hot like a hoe down. Everybody going off in my hometown, ready for a showdown. Keep it on the low now. We about to pop off like a bottle. Everybody knows that we're going full throttle. Drinking alcohol, yeah, straight from the nozzle. End of the night, end up horizontal. They know they want something more. They know they want something more. They never heard.
So the final piece is out. Let's join it with the team.
Sound that's hard to ignore. A sound that's hard to ignore. It's time to
This looks so good. But before hot gluing my shield, I got to wait and it's finally out. And finally the pieces are cut out, and it took hell lot of a time, and it really looks beautiful. Also, I thought this might be satisfying, so I added this. And after a lot of trials and errors, it's finally here, and it looks like a piece of shit. Oh damn! This looks so good, and it looks beautiful. So now let's use these cardboard crafts and paste on it. For the time being, it looks good, so let's continue. And yeah, as expected, it did not come out good. So let's do some experiments and get ready to complete this shield. Yo, what did you guys think that the video was over? I always have plan B. And unfortunately, I had to cut them all again. So to make things easier, I converted it into 4 quarters, so let's paste it now.
Yeah.
So after all the craft foam are up together, now let's copy the templates. And now that they are outlined, so let's cut the shit out of him.
Made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know.
So here's the milk solution with me. So to make my shield unbreakable, Thanos screams in the background.
I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break
So
it.
the second layer is also done, and it looks pretty unbreakable. Now I just put these pieces together randomly, so to glow my eyes with happiness of my hard work. It's looking pretty cool, and I just wish that it do not end like the last shield. Also, my engineer mind made this beautiful mechanism so to make that inner line. So finally, it's the high time to paste this on this. So let's go. So my editing skills paid off, and it's finally pasted. So let's go on to the second rim. So the second rim is also pasted. So let's wait till it dries. So it dried last night. So let's paste the third. Yo, the third rim is also pasted, and it looks dope. So let's continue it tomorrow and spray paint it. So here's me applying some glue to fill up those pores. It's tomorrow. Let's spray paint.
I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I
So I taped it and hope I don't mess it up.
I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside.
So after the silver layer, let's tape the middle rim. Oh, nice, they are taped, so let's spray paint. On the floor there are more paper because it's red spray paint time. So here's some satisfying peeling of tape for you guys. Actually, I couldn't find the blue spray paint anywhere, so I'm using these acrylics. So I pasted a star also and it looks beautiful. Now let's complete the back part. So the back part and the handles are done. Now it's the time to paste them. So let's continue. So the blue paints were coming out. So let's apply some glue. I wish it was white because it looks beautiful. So these are the handles which is going to let me hold the shield nicely and take up the mantle. So it was so hard standing, so let's apply this tape. And boy, this looks so primitive.
Every time I think about it, all the time my heart forgives. I have given everything, but it's not enough. Fuck fear, no fear, my heart can't stop. No fear, my heart can't stop.
And after adding some final details, the shield is finally completed. Enjoy the reveal.
No fear, my heart can't stop. The sun gives you a meaning to erase your every morning. Just open up your eyes and you'll see that there's a meaning to the love-hate relationship. To the haters that was.
Okay, so thanks for watching guys. This is all the ways it took to make it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, there is still some room for improvement, but I am pretty proud of it. And yeah, I am the new I am the new Captain America.